So this is how my fridge looks now, and I'm going to clean it and hopefully it looks good after. So here I have yogurts for the kids, I have my cheeses.
Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen organization video. I'm so excited to do this video because you know what? I always see these videos on YouTube and I said, you know what, one of these days I really want to organize my fridge. I do not live in a luxury apartment, but you know what? Sometimes you got to think to yourself like, you know, one day I plan to live a luxurious life. So I'm not going to wait until I have luxury to do luxurious things. I'm going to do it now. And that's what came on my mind. Like, you know, we can't have a low mindset. We got to think about where we're gonna go. So that's what this video is about. I am pretty much going to do a kitchen, a fridge organization. This is my fridge. Very simple fridge. Nothing fancy about it. Just a normal apartment fridge. And let's go. Let's get into the video. So I already cleaned my fridge the other day, and this is how it looks like right now. And this is how my freezer looks. Like, I cleaned up the freezer, but it wound up back like this. And I said, hold, I cannot wait to organize my fridge and my freezer. So the first step is to empty out the fridge. But I just did a Target and the Dollar Tree haul for you guys and a Walmart haul. So that's why you guys see my kitchen like this. So I am gonna first like tidy up a bit and then I'll be back. Start with the freezer. I think I'm gonna leave these things here because, you know, it's my ice creams and this is like my leftovers. Oh, that's dirty, but okay. Kitchen freezer is clear. So now what I'm going to do is I bought these bins to place here. Wondering what are these are called ice bins and I got them from Walmart. Veggies and fruits. Let's start with my fruits. Frozen fruits. Go in here.
coming. And have a bin for veggies. All right, so I have my okay, so I have my yogurts here. I didn't get to show you guys. I'm sorry guys, I didn't get to show you guys the footage of me actually putting everything together. My memory was full, so this is just the finished product. So here I have yogurts for the kids. I have my cheeses. I have my hemp seeds, my chia seeds here. I have my meat here. I have eggs, of course. This is just a whole bunch of like breads. Like my breads are here, and like donuts and stuff like that are here. Leftovers. And of course drinks. And then here we have the fruits, and then here we have the vegetables, and then here we have the Lunchables. And this is not very organized, so you know, this is how it looks. And this is how my door looks. You know, all of my vegetables, I already organized this before, so it's not really, you know, fancy or anything, so. But that is my fridge organization video. Tell me guys what you think of my fridge organization in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Kwaheri.